Is this new Ostand Q3 silicone case from Torras going to be worth it for your new iPhone 17? Let's find out. Starting off on the back, you have a smooth silicone finish, plus you have a more modern design where you have those lined accents going throughout the case. The case is also MagSafe. You have the MagSafe ring right here in the middle, going to be compatible with any accessories or MagSafe charging. And that does flip out into a kickstand, so you can see you can get your vertical viewing and then also your horizontal viewing too. But this is not just a regular kickstand, it does rotate 360, so you can get pretty much any angle or viewing angle that you want to get. And then once you are done with it, you can just flip it right back up and it keeps the same slimness. The case is also very protective too. At the top right here, you do have a camera protection piece. You can see that there is a hangover over those camera lenses. That piece does pop out a lot more, so that if you drop your phone, a camera lens side down, it's gonna hit that popped out piece first. And each corner of the case is also reinforced, so gonna be great for shock absorption, especially if you drop your phone on the sides or the top or the bottom with the case on. And last but not least, you have that built-in camera action button on the side, so you can still access that with your 17. Overall, if you are looking for a more stylish case for your 17, but you still want that protection, I would definitely recommend this one from Torras. These come in a lot of different colors, and I love how they have different color schemes with the actual case being one color and then the ring part having a different one. Plus you have all the convenient and protective features that you need when it comes to a great case. So definitely would recommend this one.